Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 144. This was the 22nd of January 2023, a Sunday. I started out the day exercising 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog. I worked on books, did Remote Wellness Academy, did a little bit of solar business, and then I watched the football game. Watched the 49ers beat the Dallas Cowboys. It was actually a very good game. So just enjoyed the day, relaxed a little bit, and that was pretty much it. So the gratitude of the day for this video is for nurses. So in particular for the nurse that saw me today. I had an appointment today, and I was talking to this nurse, and she was really good. It was her first day on the job. 27-year-old girl, and she did an outstanding job, although she couldn't find my vein, but she was very personable. And I mentioned to her about the military, and I told her that I had served in the military for 20 years and in the State Department. And she said, "Oh, that's really cool. That's, thank you for your service and everything." And I said, I would be remiss if I didn't mention that, the military needs nurses. And she's like, I hadn't thought of it that way. I hadn't thought of it. And she said, "You got me thinking." I was like, "Yeah, you can serve your country." And, she had been a traveling nurse. I said, "Yeah, you can travel. You can do all kinds of things." And I said, "There's always risks in everything that you do." But she was like, "Yeah, I'm going to really consider that." And I told her that there was a medical recruiting website. So I'm grateful that she at least just considered what I had to say and said, I'm going to really think about that. And that was really nice. Now, maybe she doesn't do that. It doesn't matter. It was me saying something, about the profession that I used to have. And our country does need young men and women who will step forward, who will raise their hand and will serve. And we do need nurses, and we need doctors, and we need soldiers, we need typists, and we need tuba players, and we need infantrymen and field artillery and cooks and supply guys, and we need everyone. It takes all those people, all those professionals to make it work, and especially nurses. God, nurses are so important. Nurses are, especially in the military. And I told her, I said, no matter what you do, even if you don't join the military, if you're a nurse, you're making a difference. But especially military nurses, and especially military nurses on the battlefield. I mean, if you're willing to do that, salute. You've got my total respect. And I told her that, you come into the military as a commissioned officer. It's one of the few ways that you can come in as a direct commission, and they need people. They really need people, and it's a way of serving your country. And she said, "Thank you for my service." And I said, "Well, thank you. I appreciate you thanking me, and I thank you for your service. And you can also one day receive the thanks and gratitude of people." And I was telling her that, my time at Fort Campbell, I would be at the grocery store, and people would walk up to me and they would thank me, and it would just feel a little bit weird, like, I don't understand, but people would, and they would. And, people giving gratitude, receiving gratitude. I'm just grateful for nurses in general, and for that particular nurse, whether she goes and does that or not. The fact that you're taking care of people, and you're helping save lives, and it's a calling, and it's an amazing thing. And I think everybody should be grateful for nurses. Grateful for everybody in the whole medical profession, but especially nurses. It's a tough job. It's a long job, and it's a labor of love. So thanks to all the nurses. Lots and lots of gratitude. So like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.